Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with a new video. It's almost 12 in the night and I wasn't really getting a lot of time to make a video because I was having classes from Monday to Saturday. So I'm recording this on Sunday night. So actually you guys wanted to know a lot of things about this laptop. So majorly the things was the screen, graphics card, gaming and speakers. So I'll cover all of those slowly. So firstly I wanted to show you that I got my laptop wrapped in this black color. I just spent 200 rupees to get this one wrapped. So this looks dope, no? So firstly I wanted to say that let's talk about the graphics card. So see, there's a catch in the graphics thing. Well, I was using my friend's laptop that was having Ryzen 5 3500U. So the thing is that that laptop was having 5.75 GB, actually say 6 GB of usable RAM out of 8 GB. So the thing is that that laptop was using 2 GB of RAM as video RAM for the graphics card. Well, this laptop is having 7.5 GB of usable RAM and just half GB as the video RAM for the graphics card. So that definitely decreases the graphics performance as of this laptop, even though it is having a better graphics. So the thing is that you can definitely correct it with some settings in the BIOS, that you can reduce your usable RAM, increase your VRAM or video RAM we say, and get more and more FPS. Well, I'm simply not the right person to talk about gaming because I'm not a professional gamer, but still I installed GTA 5 on this laptop and I have played it for almost a couple of days. So see, honestly I was getting from 28 to 35 FPS playing games on this. So I don't know whether it is very good or bad, but there wasn't any lag. The game was running very smooth on the low settings, but trust me, you can definitely get 50 to 60 if you somehow increase the VRAM in the BIOS. So next thing I wanted to talk about this is the Harman Kardon speaker, which are placed right here. So see, because these are from Harman Kardon or somewhere, these are very crisp and clear speakers, but these aren't the loudest out there. So you can't really expect them to be very loud and cover your whole classroom to make a party sort of environment in your classroom. So for that purpose definitely you have to get a Bluetooth speaker, or this simply won't do that for you. So keep this thing in mind. This one isn't a MacBook. It is not going to give you the loudest sound, but yes, definitely this is very clear and crisp. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is the screen. See, most of the YouTubers that I saw were majorly complaining about the screen, that the screen is not color accurate, the screen is very bad, the screen is only flaw in the laptop. See, to some extent this is true, but listen, most of those YouTubers are actually coming from XPS, that is the most high-end laptop from Dell. Otherwise, most of them are actually using MacBooks. So all of these laptops cost more than 1 lakh. So definitely if a company is charging more than 1 lakh for the laptop, they are definitely giving you the best screen in the market. And if a company is giving you so much of performance, the backlit keyboard and everything in a laptop that is just costing around 43,000-44,000, don't expect everything to be at par as a MacBook. So a person like them can definitely notice there's a very large difference, like getting 40 to 50% sRGB and getting all the way to 100 and even more than 100% of sRGB. But for a person like me or a person like you maybe who isn't using a very high-end laptop previously, you won't really notice a lot of difference. The thing is that if you are a programmer, if you watch content, if you are a casual gamer, you do Skype calls, you attend classes on your laptop, trust me, you won't really face any difficulty. But one thing I must tell you, the brightness is very good for indoors. For outdoors, definitely the brightness is very less. You really can't see anything on the screen if you are using in a direct sunlight. So keep this thing in mind that in direct sunlight you can definitely not use this laptop very comfortably. And about the thing that if you are some sort of editor or content creator, like a very high-end one who involves editing of colors in photo or video something, either simply don't buy this kind of laptop that has such less sRGB thing, or you can just get a separate monitor with this laptop to edit those videos in a color accurate manner. Otherwise it won't be a right choice for you, trust me. And rest, the laptop is very good. I would still say that again, that this is one of the best laptops out there in 2020 that offers you such good performance. Okay, talking about the battery life, a lot of people were asking me. The thing is that I sometimes attend a class for almost more than 6 hours in a row, like from 8 to 3:20, with a couple of short breaks in the class on Microsoft Teams with sometimes my webcam and mic on, and even the other people are using the webcam, so definitely consuming more and more Wi-Fi connection and data. So if I charge it to 100%, I am left with almost 3, 4, 5% at the end of my 6-hour long class. So I think this is a very nice battery point, because cameras and all and videography include takes up a lot of battery. So I think it is good, and you can see yourself that is it sufficient, like the way I'm getting 6 hours, is it sufficient for you or not, and then you can make your own decision with that. So see guys, अब यार यहाँ तक आ गए हो ना तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो। देख लो यार 12 बजे तैयार से यार होकर बैठा हो यहाँ पे for just that video. And one thing I wanted to add is that I'm having a Levi's free headphones that you're getting in an offer, something like buy this much clothes and we will give you free headphones. And if you want a review about that, I can compare it with my Sony XM3, which were one of the most high-end headphones actually in 2019, awarded by Marcus Browning and all. And still it is one of the best noise cancelling headphones out there in the market. And let's see that how they compare, like a free headphone versus a 30,000 rupees headphone. If you want that comparison, I can definitely make it for you. And that's all from my side about this laptop. And if you still have any questions, I am always there in the comment section to reply all to your all comments and questions. So once again guys, please drop a like and subscribe. तो यार अब कर ही जाओगे ना, इतना बोल रहा हूँ तो please, हाँ ठीक है. So okay guys, bye bye, take care, have a good day if you're watching it in day, or maybe good night guys, bye.